Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need the parts and a safe place to assemble. Start now. First, confirm you carry an empty battery core and save at a nearby Pura pad. Once saved, you can risk longer routes. Next, gather at least 20 ancient parts or 4 power cells by clearing mini-dungeons and dismantling ancient constructs. Make sure to unlock and fast travel to the closest ancient workshop. That location is essential because only its assembler completes the full battery construction. Move immediately. At the workshop, set up an assembler station and place the empty core in first. This orients the circuitry correctly. Then add 4 power cells one at a time, letting the assembler stabilize between inserts. This prevents incomplete bonds. Attach a heat shield or stabilizer as the final component to prevent discharge during fusion. Watch the status lights. Do not interrupt the sequence. Once the green indicator fills and the energy meter settles, do not remove components prematurely. Allow the process to finish fully. When the assembler reads 100% and the green bar is steady, extract the full battery gently to avoid jarring the cells. Place it in a padded container or sealed slot. If the process fails or you see red warnings, scrap the current unit and start again with a fresh core and 4 power cells. Do not reuse suspect components. Finally, save at the Pura pad. Label the battery in your inventory and fast travel to the target. If charging issues persist, retry with different cells.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.